Draw na ikaw.
I have a master.
Yung head.
Ito yung muscle niya.
Nasaan head niya?
Wait mo lang.
Hmm?
Wait mo lang. Ito yung head niya.
Saan eyes?
Ito. Oh, yeah.
May ears ba yan?
Naulit ko because I...
Oh, sige. Finish mo.
Naulit ko.
Oh, sige. Draw ka na lang ulit dito. Ayusin mo at kailangan makita ni teacher yan. Maganda. Ito, boy, oh. Oh, naka-video ka. Pakita mo kay teacher yung maganda mong drawing.
Yung picture na make ko. May muscle. This is me.
Lagyan mo ng name.
Kylie.
Oh, sige, turo mo yung mga parts ng body niya.
This is a muscle.
Oh, nasaan ng head niya? Turo mo yung head niya, yung
This
eyes.
is his head.
Oh, yung eyes.
Ito.
Ano pa?
Mouth.
Oh, turo mo.
This is the mouth and the eyes and the hair and the muscle and dress and him feet.
Saan ang ano niya?
Shoe niya
Shoes
to.
niya. Shoe yan. Wala siyang socks.
This is in socks.
Okay. Oh, sige na. Very good.
Let me watch.
Ah.